Welcome to Introduction to Django. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the key features and nature of the Django web framework and identify the types of web applications that can be built using Django. Django is a high-level, accessible, and open-source Python web framework. It follows the Model View Controller (MVC) pattern, which helps developers build web applications quickly and efficiently. Django was created to enable rapid development and code reusability. Users can build almost any web application with Django, including a content management system, or CMS, social media platforms, business applications, and new websites. A common phrase to describe Django is "batteries included," due to Django's comprehensive nature of the Django web framework. Django provides a wide range of features and functionalities out of the box. Django provides an Object-Relational Mapping, or ORM, layer that allows you to define your data models using Python classes. This makes it easier to work with databases and perform operations such as querying, inserting, updating, and deleting records. Django has a built-in template engine that enables developers to separate the business logic from the presentation logic of your application. Django also provides an administration interface that is automatically generated based on the models in your application. It provides a user-friendly interface for managing site content and can be customized to fit specific requirements. Django provides robust security features, including protection against common web vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting, or XSS, cross-site request forgery, or CSRF, and SQL injection. It also provides mechanisms for password hashing and user session management. Django has built-in authentication and authorization mechanisms, allowing you to manage user accounts, including registration, login, and password management. It also provides fine-grained authorization controls to define user permissions and access restrictions. Django is expandable with the help of modules, also known as Django apps or packages. These modules are reusable components that you can integrate into your Django project to add specific functionality or features. For example, Django supports language localization using the getText module. Django offers third-party packages like Django Simple CAPTCHA for CAPTCHA integration, which helps prevent automated bot submissions in forums. And Django's built-in Forms module includes robust form validation logic to ensure the form data meets the criteria. Django promotes an architecture where each web server instance operates independently, known as the share-nothing or stateless architecture. Each web server instance handles requests and responses autonomously without relying on shared resources or maintains any server-side state between requests. Django Web Framework makes scaling easy. Because a Django app is stateless, it manages your user sessions. This allows developers to add more instances of an application and transfer the user's experience across the models without losing data. Django supports all kinds of tests, including unit, integration, and functional tests. Django's testing framework includes a test runner that allows developers to run tests quickly and provides detailed test reports. It offers various testing utilities, assertions, and fixtures to facilitate writing and executing tests. Due to Django being built on Python, it's platform agnostic, meaning it can be run on many platforms. This platform independence is due to Python's portability and wide availability on different operating systems. This allows developers to choose the hosting platform that best suits their needs and infrastructure. A Django application can run on almost all cloud providers. Django's platform-agnostic nature allows you to deploy your application on various cloud platforms depending on your specific requirements and preferences. For example, if you have a blog platform and you prefer the simplicity and user-friendliness of Microsoft Azure's cloud services, you can deploy your blog application to Azure without any hassle. The Django Web Framework owes much of its success to its dedicated community of users. This community includes developers, designers, and enthusiasts worldwide who share a common passion for creating exceptional web applications. One of the core strengths of the Django community lies in its commitment to continuously enhancing and advancing the framework. The open-source nature of Django enables developers to contribute their expertise and improvements to the framework's codebase. This collective effort results in regular updates and releases introducing new features, optimizing performances, and addressing security concerns. Several famous web applications have been built using Django. Instagram, a popular social media platform for sharing photos and videos, was initially built using Django. Spotify, a leading music streaming platform, has also used Django in its infrastructure. The popular video sharing platform YouTube has incorporated Django into its architecture. And the Washington Post, a renowned news publication, has adopted Django for its content management system, or CMS. In this video, you learn that Django is a high-level, accessible, and open-source Python web framework. Using Django, users can build content management systems, or CMSs, social media platforms, business applications, and websites. Django's Object-Relational Mapping, or ORM layer, lets you define your data modules using Python classes. Built-in Django features include templates, an administration interface, security, authentication and authorization mechanisms, user-friendly scaling, and test support. Django is expandable with modules, or Django apps, or packages which add functions and features. Django promotes a shared nothing or stateless architecture, allowing for the autonomous handling of requests and responses without relying on shared resources. And Django is platform agnostic, meaning it can run on many platforms and almost any cloud server.